Hello everyone, this is Andrew Bard, owner and lead engineer of your EcoRide2. Welcome to my condo here in BGC. I'm going to show you a little bit of how to maintain your scooter, just a quick things you need to do real quick. I'm not going to go over the brakes. That's something that I think you need to have a bicycle shop do for you, somebody who's trained in that. But I'm going to go over the basics of what you can do yourself. So quickly, you want to check these screws, just make sure they haven't come loose. They hold your handlebar in, okay? Just give them a little quick turn to the right, tighten them up. We haven't had any issues with them coming loose, but you just never know. It's worth a shot to check out. The big things you need to check are this screw here in the locking ring and this screw here in the locking ring, just to make sure your locking ring isn't coming loose, isn't going to fall off on you in the middle of a ride. Now, the really big thing you need to check is your locking mechanism. Okay, that's this big hook right here that holds everything together. As you ride, this will come loose. So as you ride, when you get done with the ride, you want to just check and make sure. Take your locking mechanism, or your locking lever, and push it forward. If the scooter moves, then you're in the right range on how tight it needs to be. If you can go like this, without too much struggle, then you're at the exact spot you need to be to hold your scooter together, okay? So you don't want it so tight, so hard on the front, that you can't go like this, or it's very difficult or hurts your hand. You don't want it so loose that if you push it up, it just pops up, okay? So if you need to adjust it, you undo the latch, you take your little Allen wrench you got from your box, a little quarter turn to the right will tighten it, a little quarter turn to the left will loosen it, and just adjust from there. Tighten it, loosen it, whatever you need to do, move it up. Make sure it's in that spot between I can move the scooter if I press it by itself, and it's not so hard I can't go like this to move it up the rest of the way. Okay? So anyway, there's some basic things just to know how to maintain your scooter and keep it safe for riding. Again, this is Andrew with EcoRide.ph. You can message me, of course, at the website EcoRide.ph, or you can go to the EcoRide.ph Facebook page and message me there. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here to help you. Thanks a lot. Bye.